Have you ever wondered how tap to pay technology works? Or why it's safer than traditional payment methods? Well, today, we're breaking down NFC mobile payments, explaining how this technology works, its benefits, and how you can use it to improve your business. NFC or near field communication is a wireless technology that allows devices to communicate when they're close. NFC mobile payments use this technology to securely process transactions between a mobile device and a payment terminal, making them a fast and convenient tap-to-pay solution. When a customer uses the tap-to-pay method at checkout, their phone or smartwatch uses tokenized data to connect with the payment terminal. Here's how it works. Step 1. The customer taps or hovers their NFC-enabled device near the terminal. Step 2. The NFC chip communicates payment data securely via encryption. Step 3. The terminal processes the payment and sends confirmation to both the customer and the merchant. This seamless process is why NFC and contactless payments are becoming popular in both retail and e-commerce. While NFC is the technology behind contactless payments, the terms are often used interchangeably. Contactless payments also include chip cards with RFID technology. However, NFC mobile payments such as those made with Apple Pay or Google Wallet are generally faster and more secure since they don't store your full credit card number. And they encrypt and tokenize the data. While there are plenty of advantages to NFC mobile technology, there can also be some drawbacks. So let's look at some of the pros and cons of NFC technology here. Some of the pros include speed. Transactions are completed in seconds. Another pro is convenience, as there's no need for a physical card or cash. Then there's security. Encrypted data and tokenization make it harder for fraudsters to steal information. Hygiene is another pro. NFC reduces the need for customers to make physical contact with payment terminals. There's also customer preference. Consumers increasingly prefer contactless payment methods. And lastly, future-proofing. Stay competitive by adopting modern payment technology. Now, let's look at some of the cons. These can include device compatibility issues. Not all phones or terminals are NFC enabled. Then there's setup costs. Businesses may need to upgrade their terminals to accept NFC payments. And these hardware upgrades can be expensive. You also have an increased risk of fraud. Employees don't typically handle customers' devices when taking NFC payments. Therefore, they don't get to check if those devices actually belong to the people using them. Let me reiterate what we've already gone over. Yes, NFC mobile payments are among the safest payment methods available. And here's why. NFC payments utilize encryption. Payment data is encrypted and tokenized, meaning your actual card details are never shared. On top of that, NFC often uses two-factor authentication. Many NFC-enabled apps require biometric authentication like a fingerprint or facial recognition for added security. And then there's limited range. NFC works only within a few centimeters, reducing the risk of data interception. Many industries are adopting NFC payment options to offer customers a better experience. These examples include retail businesses. Major chains like Walmart and Target use tap-to-pay solutions at checkout. Food and beverage is another one. Restaurants and coffee shops like Starbucks accept NFC payments for faster service. Then there's public transit. Cities worldwide have integrated NFC technology into fare systems for buses and trains. If you're considering offering NFC payment options, here are the devices and apps that support it. For devices, most modern smartphones, including iPhones and Android devices, have NFC chips. For apps, popular apps like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, and Samsung Pay facilitate NFC payments. For wearables, smartwatches like the Apple Watch and Samsung Galaxy Watch also support tap-to-pay functionality. Setting up NFC mobile payments is simpler than you might think. Let's go through the steps. Number 1, choose a payment processor. Work with a provider that offers NFC payment options. Number 2, upgrade your terminals. Ensure your POS system supports NFC-enabled payments. Number 3, train your staff. Educate your team on how to process NFC mobile payments efficiently. Number 4, promote NFC acceptance. Let customers know you support tap to pay with signage to encourage usage. There are a lot of questions people have about NFC technology. Here are some of the most frequently asked ones. Question number 1, is NFC the same as tap to pay? Yes, NFC is a technology that powers tap to pay systems, allowing for fast and secure contactless payments. Question number 2, is PayPal an NFC mobile payment? PayPal supports NFC mobile payments through its integration with Google Wallet and Samsung Pay on compatible devices. Question number 3, is NFC the same as Google Wallet? No. Google Wallet is a digital wallet app that uses NFC technology to facilitate payments, but they're not the same thing. Question 4, can I add NFC to a non-NFC phone? It's challenging to add NFC technology to a phone that doesn't already have it. External NFC tags or accessories may offer limited functionality, but are not as seamless as built-in NFC. Question 5, can you pay with NFC without internet? Yes. Most NFC payments do not require an internet connection at the time of the transaction. However, the payment app may need to sync with your account periodically to verify funds. And that's everything you need to know about NFC mobile payments. From its speed and security to its wide adoption across industries, NFC technology is transforming the way we pay. Want to learn about other payment methods you can use for your business? Check out this video here. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more insights into payment solutions. And as always, drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy processing.